Good evening, everyone. How are you all today? Happy weekend. I'm wearing this one because I feel so cold a while ago. Although I have pajama inside, but I need to because very cold. Tomorrow is weekend again. Enjoy your weekend. I'm not sure if I can go out tomorrow because of what happened last night. It's 5 alert. It's good tonight. It's quiet. There is no emergency alert today. Anyway, I hope tomorrow will be peaceful and there is no alert. Because I want to go to the church tomorrow. We have a church service tomorrow anyway. And I'm planning to walk tomorrow morning because it's been more than 1 week I won't be able to go walking, and I want to exercise walking every Saturday. My goal is to have 10,000 steps that day for walking. I hope and pray that the war will end and totally stop, and we're gonna have a peaceful, the world will be peaceful and have unity to each other, so that we're not suffer of famine because of what happened in this whole world this time. Anyway guys, I feel so sleepy already. I need to sleep because it's already almost I'm not gonna stay awake until after 12 because my back will pinning every time I lack of sleep. Anyway guys, I just want to say have a good night sleep everyone, and see you tomorrow. Enjoy your weekend. Bye. I miss you all and I love you all. Bye bye.